So if you've ever tried to set up your own photography studio, you probably run into a couple of problems. Problem number one, you can't afford all of the expensive equipment. Number two, you're just not emotionally, physically, mentally prepared for everything that comes with a studio setup, setting everything up, finding a place for it. It's like marrying someone forever for like $2,000. Problem number three, you just honestly don't know what to buy because it's so overwhelming. What if I told you guys that I did an entire photography studio setup for less than $5? Who would believe me? That's right. I went to the Dollar Tree. Not even the dollar store. It's a tree. It's like the Giving Tree, that book that I didn't read, and I was on a mission to find items that I could use to make this photography setup happen. A sponge, plastic table cover in a different color just in case you're decisive and can't make normal decisions in your everyday life. A jump rope. Now you're probably wondering what this is for. Don't worry, there's no physical activity on this channel. You guys are gonna be okay. I would never break your trust and make you guys do physical activity. Binder clips. So you can go ahead and grab this washable kids paint at Target for $1.49. So using just these items, we're gonna go ahead and make a really cool backdrop. Are you guys ready? Let's go. Okay, so now that we've finished making the actual backdrop, I'm going to be using some tape and that jump rope to hang the backdrop. So let's go. How easy was that? It was like going to the gym and doing absolutely nothing. Go get those binder clips and meet me back here in 2 minutes. So both of my backdrops are still drying. I do have this one from yesterday, and we're gonna use it and hang it up. You're just gonna use the clips to clip it up against the jump rope. I'm going to show you guys a couple photos I took using this backdrop and using the other backdrops. Traditional backgrounds can cost up to $100, and that doesn't even include the amount of the setup and all the equipment that you have to get for it. With something like this, you can set it up super fast, super easy, really wherever, and again, it'll cost you less than $5. So the creativity here is endless. So there you have it. It's a photography studio setup for less than $5. Let me know what you guys think of this video, if you guys like how the pictures turned out and how you guys think the backdrops came out. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys later.